Elica 60 centimeters, 1200 cubic meters per hour filterless auto clean chimney. Product information. Filterless technology. Elica filter-less kitchen hoods are fitted with sealed motor to ensure that oil deposit and water vapors does not affect the smooth functioning of the motor. High-quality metal blower system ensures that the smoke and odor are efficiently exhausted out of the kitchen. The chimney has motor field that grants longevity to the motor. Maximum suction capacity. WDFL 606 HAC/MS narrow chimney comes with a suction capacity of 1200 cubic meters per hour, which lend you comfort and help your kitchen stay fresh, as it is less noisy, low on maintenance and energy efficient. Motion sensor. The WDFL 606 HAC/MS narrow chimney in heat auto clean and filter-less type is fitted with motion control that enables easy operation by a simple wave of your hand. Wave your hand towards right to turn on the chimney and continue waving to increase the speed. While waving towards left will decrease the speed and finally turns it off. Striking design. Loaded with premium features, black matte finish and elegant design, this WDFL 606 HAC/MS narrow chimney with motion sensor from the house of Elica is perfect for enhancing the decor of your kitchen. The combination of its beautiful appearance and top-end quality makes it a must-have appliance for your kitchen. Oil collector. WDFL 606 HAC/MS narrow chimney is designed with separate oil collector to ensure easy cleaning. The oil collector collects the oil and other residue conveniently. Modeled with stainless steel, its rust-free design ensures durability and hassle-free cleaning. Heat auto clean technology. This kitchen hood is fitted with heating pad on its motor group assembly and oil collector cup at the bottom. Just with a touch on control panel, kitchen hood can be cleaned by collecting oil from motor group assembly into the oil collector cup with the help of heating pad. Touch control panel. Enhance the look of your kitchen with the charming design of WDFL 606 HAC/MS narrow kitchen chimney. It comes with trendy touch control that will give an easy access to all the features of your chimney so you can clean it without any hassle. LED lamps. This kitchen appliance also has two LED lamps that provide high efficiency. The LED lamps are designed to grant an ease while cooking. Now lights will never be an issue while you are cooking. About US. Elica is all set to revolutionize the kitchen hood industry. All the products are ergonomically designed with the care taken to choose material, ensure safety and save electric consumption. The range consists of an array of kitchen hoods, built-in hobs in glass, linen decor SS and sateen finish SS, built-in ovens, cooking ranges, built-in microwaves, kitchen sinks and faucets. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.